Hello, public in general. This is Jose at MGR Real Estate. Just to let you know that I got a new listing on 5579 Corte Viejo in the city of Hemet. It is a seniors community. Beautiful, over 2,000 square feet, two bedrooms, two and a half baths, very spacious. It's in a 55 plus community. It comes with a with a gym, pool, volleyball courts, tennis courts, pickleball, you name it, many amenities. It only costs $210 a month, the association fee. We're selling it for basically like 349, but it's very roomy. It's worth it. You will not get any other upgraded property for the value. It is so beautiful. The address 5579 Corte Viejo in the city of Hemet. So for all of the people that are planning on retiring, moving up, to a very peaceful area, send me a text, give me a call, send me an email. My information is right below this video. I look forward to working with you. Okay. Thank you so much for paying attention and make it a great day.